English essay. The national bird of India. The peacock is the national bird of India. It is a beautiful bird. The male bird has lovely colorful feathers. It has a white patch under the eyes. It has a gauzy greenish blue and a long slim neck. The peacock has the beautiful fan-shaped crest feathers on its head. The peacock loves the monsoon season. It spreads out its feathers and does a beautiful dance. I like to see the peacock dance with his feather fully open. The peahen is the female bird and is brown in color. She does not have beautiful feathers. Today there are less number of peacocks as people killed them for their feathers and meat. Hunting of the peacock is banned in India. Everyone loves the peacock. Thank you.